Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link a bank account on PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn up to $100 when you refer your friends to join PayPal. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Wallet. At the top left side of this tab, you will see an option for Link a Bank. Click on Link a Bank. Now, select the bank you wish to link. Next, enter your bank account credentials. Then click on Agree and Link. To confirm your identity, a verification code will be sent to the phone number registered on your account. Select how would you like to receive the code, either via text message or voice call. Then click on Confirm your identity. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on the button that says Confirm your identity. Lastly, choose which eligible account you want to link to PayPal. Then click on Next. And now your account has been linked. That's how you link a bank account on PayPal. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.